Welcome to Magpie's Menu, the only cooking show where we encourage fermentation, procrastination, and delicious things. Stir up a little heat with something sweet. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're making a ginger bug, a fuzzy little fermentation starter for sodas, tonics, and possibly chaotic kitchen science. As you can see, our ingredients and supply list are things that you would probably have on hand in your pantry. You will want to start with warm, not boiling water. Warm to the touch. We're waking up microbes, not poaching them. Hashtag save the microbes. Grate in 3 to 6 tablespoons of fresh ginger, skin and all. Not yours, skin the ginger's. That's where the wild yeast live. It's nature's glitter, chaotic, sticky, and magical. Freeze your leftover ginger. Modern life has some perks. Then add in equal parts of sugar and stir until it dissolves. Cover with a cheesecloth or coffee filter, secure and tuck away in a dark cabinet and do nothing. Your best ingredient? Time. In a few days, you will have bubbles. Gingerbug is alive, thriving, and frankly more enthusiastic than I've been all year. From here, you can use it to start sodas, tonics, or keep it around like a tiny burbling pet that lives in a jar. No vet bills, hypoallergenic. No judgment. That's it for today's brew. You just made a ginger bug. Thanks for watching Magpie's Menu.